Model, 65 plate Ford Transit Connect 241 Tdci clutch is slipping, no cat bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 125704. MOT, the 29th of September 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 95 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Check engine light on the dash. Clutch is slipping, will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat N in 2022. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.